Minister wa urimi guku bururi-ini Mutahi wa Kagwe augite thoko ya wendia wa mahiũ iri hatĩka-inĩ amu gĩcunjĩ kinene gikoragwo bururi-ini wa Iran na mabũrũri maria marigicĩirie na nĩ magũmĩirwo nĩ ngahĩha. Mabũrũri ma United Arab Emirates, Saudi Arabia na Oman nĩmo mathondekete gĩcunjĩ kinene kia thoko ya mahiũ guku bururi-ini na mba nene ya arĩithia na endia ya mahiũ ĩkĩhocia harimo.
There are some products that have already begun to be impacted. For example, we sent to the Middle East about 300 million shillings worth of meat and animal products every week. And that is obviously something we have to think about, particularly the products that we have been selling, food products that we have been selling to Iran. That has obviously been impacted.
Na kuri uguo minister wa urimi ni hithuritie ati thirikari ni irecurania gwetha thoko mabũrũri-ini mangĩ niguo guthaitĩra arĩmi bara ĩno ĩngĩthie na mbere na kwĩhĩrĩria.
We've also taken measures to ensure that we are looking elsewhere. For example, when it comes to the meat market, to the goats and meat and so on, there is also alternative markets that have arisen, as a result of the same situation. So we believe that we will be able to cater for other markets and replace the markets that are currently in conflict.
Wendia wa indo mabũrũri-ini ma Kiarabu nĩ ũkũrĩte na njĩra nene ica ikuhĩ kuma bilioni 59 mwaka wa 2020 nginya makĩria ma bilioni 164 mũthia-inĩ wa mwaka wa 2024.
Working around the clock, we have a team within the government that is assessing. Our Ministry of Foreign Affairs is deeply involved in this. So we are confident that we can get out of it in as good a shape as we can.
Thengio ũguo thirikari nĩ thiĩte na mbere na gũteithĩrĩria arĩmi kĩmera-inĩ kĩa mahanda kuma mweri-inĩ wa Dithemba ĩkĩheana mĩhuko milioni 3 ya bataraitha gũkũ gĩtanya kũrekereria mĩhuko ĩngĩ milioni 5 mũbango ũyũ ũgĩtanywo kũhũthĩra bilioni 8.
We have distributed some 3 million bags of fertilizer and are going to distribute another maybe 1.5 million bags. So the reason why it's a scrambling for fertilizer is logistical issues. We are working on them. I know that areas such as here, Uasin Gishu and so on, have been called by people across the country, but I know that NCPB is doing whatever they can to ensure that we deliver fertilizer.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Edwin Mbugua.